Well, hello, class, and welcome to Caring for the Ministry Leader's Soul from Moody Bible Distance Learning. This is your fearless leader, Professor Jefferson, and I am coming to you from the MDL remote studios of Pontiac, Illinois, in my office. So, welcome to week one. Keep your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We are on a roll. We have begun our journey together, and week one is actually pretty light. I will be doing videos each Tuesday to let you know what we're coming up on. And this week is a little lighter than the other weeks, but nonetheless, it's going to be very important for us. So, first of all, we're going to talk about why spiritual health is so important in ministry, and we're going to be talking about how God uses adversity to strengthen us. So, your discussion boards this week, first of all, let me make a comment about discussion boards. I expect you to be agreeable without being disagreeable, right? I do not want to see, good job. I like this. What? No, 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 no. I want to see you say, hey, I really like this part. I don't agree with this part. Have you ever thought about this? That's the kind of discussion boards I want to see. And all you're going to do this week is just tell us one or two things that stood out from your reading. Just one or two things that challenged you, that inspired you, that encouraged you. And then we're going to interact around those. And then you do have an assignment. You have assignment 1. And you're going to be interacting with 1 Samuel 30, 1 Samuel 30 verse 6. And it says, David found his strength in the Lord. The Hebrew actually says David strengthened himself in the Lord. And you're going to be reflecting on that, and you'll be writing a two-page, when I say two-page, I mean 2 pages, not 7. 2-page, double-spaced paper. You don't have to have a works cited page or anything like that. This is just kind of your reflection on it. And what we want to see is, based on your knowledge of the Scripture, reflect on how you think David found strength in the Lord. You might want to pursue a commentary or two before writing. So I'm just what we're trying to get our head around here is that how do we encourage ourselves? How do we find strength in the Lord? Because I'm going to tell you honestly, being in ministry, there's not a lot of encouragement in that. There isn't. I promise you. For every one encouragement, you're going to get 25 complaints. So you have to be able to encourage yourself in the Lord. And how does that happen? So that's going to be the assignment for this week. Remember, it needs to be an MLA formatting. I am looking for college level writing, so be careful. Make sure to proofread before you turn it in. And you'll be doing class introductions as well. So I posted mine, and I'm looking forward to reading yours as well, and we can get to know each other. I know many of you from other classes. So that's it. That's week 1. I will tell you that you will be doing a paper later on, and I'm going to talk about that next week, but I want to go ahead and get ahead of that. So we're already thinking about that and already not procrastinating about that. Does that make sense? Okay, awesome. All right, so what I want to do is I want to tell you if you have any prayer requests or questions, let me know. If not, onward and upwards.